Alright, first you're going to want to put your car on jack stands. Then you're going to slide underneath past your oil pan. And the sensor is going to be right by your slave cylinder on your transmission. There it is right there. First things first, you're going to want to unclip the sensor cable. Clip wiring. Put that over to the side. You're gonna need a 10mm socket. Grab your ratchet and loosen it out. Take it out. Once that bolt is loose enough, I just boop, there it is. Now we pull the old sensor out. Nothing to it. Alright, you're gonna want to grab your new sensor now. And slide that back into that hole. Pop it back in there. Make sure it's snug. Now I hand thread the bolt back into its place. And we tighten it back up. Now we grab our wire clip and snap it back into place. Boom.